Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Instagram account on your phone. If you are new to our channel, then first of all do make sure to subscribe and also make sure that you turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content or video to our channel. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, what you want to do is make sure you have downloaded and installed the Instagram application to your phone. If you have not yet downloaded the application, then simply open your Play Store if you're on your Android, and if you're on your iOS, then simply open your App Store. Now, depending on whichever app stores you have, on the top of the screen you can see the option which is called search box. Simply click on the search box and type in Instagram. Once you type in Instagram, you can see the first option is called Instagram. Click on this application and you will see a green install button if you're on your Android to download it, and if you're on your iOS device you will see a cloud-like icon. Simply click on the icon and verify the download using an Apple ID password. So once you are sure that you have downloaded and installed the Instagram application to your phone, simply open the Instagram application and actually make sure that you are actually logged in. If you are not logged in, then do so by entering your email address and your password. Now this is how our home screen of our profile looks like. Now at the bottom right hand side of the screen you can see your profile picture. Simply click on your profile picture and it will take you to your profile page. Once you are on your profile page, on the top right hand side you can see the 3 navigation bar. Simply click on the 3 navigation bar, and in the menu that pops up you want to click on settings, which is the first option. Once you click on settings, look for the option called help. If you cannot find the option help, then you can also simply search in the search box. Since we have already found it, simply click on the option called help. And here you will be granted 4 options such as report a problem, help center, privacy and security, help and support request. What you want to do is select help center. Now depending on your device, this may or may not look a little different compared to this, depending on how Instagram constantly updates their application. So click on help center. And as you can see, it will take us to the FAQ page of the help center. What you want to do is in the search box simply type in delete account. Once you type in delete account, simply click on the search button and then the result is going to pop up. As you can see, the first option which says how do I delete my Instagram account, then simply click on the option which is called how do I delete my Instagram account. Once you go there, at the bottom of the screen you can see the delete your account text which is highlighted in blue. What you want to do is simply select the text which is called delete your account. And as you can see, it will ask us for a question of why you want to delete your accounts and such. What you want to do is simply click on the box which says why do you want to delete your account, and then simply select one of the following reasons. And after you do that, you simply need to re-enter your password over here. Now you should also understand that once you delete your account, it is going to remain deactivated for the 30 days, and after 30 days it will be permanently deleted. So if you want to regain access to the deleted account of your Instagram, then you need to log in within the specified period of the time, which in our case is actually 1 month. So if you want to regain access, then you simply need to log into your Instagram application. So over here what you want to do is on the button that says re-enter your password, simply enter your password. Once you enter your password correctly, at the bottom you can see the option which is called delete your account in the blue box. What you want to do is simply click on delete account and it will ask you for a confirmation. Simply click on OK again and it will permanently delete your account. So this is how you can delete your Instagram account from your Android device or your iOS device. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it did help you in any way, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, because we are going to bring you more awesome videos like this one on our channel. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you in our next video.